Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Don Wheaton on White.
Looking for an SUV to haul around the whole family? This 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LT would be a great choice. It looks pretty slick in siren red tint coat, and because it's an LT, you get a chrome grille and accents, 20-inch wheels, and paint match mirrors and door handles. This thing seats 8, or drop the entire third row with power flat folding seats, and there's room for all sorts of equipment and cargo. A remote starter, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel ensure you stay warm in the winter, and four-wheel drive means better traction. It also features an integrated backup camera, front and rear parking sensors, a power sunroof, and Bose stereo system, while the enhanced driver alert package provides safety features like lane keep assist and forward collision warning.
Now, if you have questions, you can send them my way. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just stop by the Don Wheaton on White showroom.